Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure ShipEngine webhooks for order status syncing, complete guide step by step clearly. To configure ShipEngine webhooks for order status syncing, begin by logging into your ShipEngine account. Navigate to the settings section from the dashboard menu. Look for the webhooks option within the settings menu. Click on webhooks to access the webhook management page. To create a new webhook, locate the Add Webhook button and click it. In the webhook form, specify the URL where you want to receive the webhook notifications. Select the specific event types you want to receive updates for, such as order status changes. Make sure to enable SSL for secure data transmission if your endpoint supports it. Once you have filled in the necessary details, click on Create Webhook to save your settings. ShipEngine will now display your newly created webhook in the list. Take note of the test events that ShipEngine uses to verify your webhook. Use software like Postman or a similar tool to simulate webhook events for testing purposes. Send a test payload to your webhook URL to ensure it is correctly receiving notifications. Check your server logs or webhook endpoint to confirm that the test payload was successfully received. If the test is successful, you can begin using the webhook for live order status updates. For troubleshooting, ensure your URL is accessible and not blocked by firewalls. Adjust the settings if you encounter issues and retest as necessary. Once everything is functioning correctly, monitor your webhooks regularly for any disruptions. Document the configurations and tests for future reference or troubleshooting. You're now set up to receive real-time order status updates through ShipEngine webhooks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.